1, 2, 3, start. Normally, when officers are clothed with more powers, there is large scope for corruption. I feel that it would be desirable to avoid such malpractices, and it would be desirable, I think, that even more minor offenses the parties should have a chance to defend their action. I do not think that this problem of dealing with minor offenses will become complex or complicated in any way if we take them to courts of law. I want a reply from the minister in what way he is suffering from handicap in dealing with minor offenses or offenses of a technical nature. The honorable member made the point that even if this thing was accepted to the House, he did not know what amount would be demanded as security. So the minister should tell us what amount is normally expected from license in all cases and what the offenses are which are of a technical or minor nature which he has in view. We are not told which are major offenses and which are minor offenses. Clarifications on these points are necessary. I wish that the act which came into effect long ago was implemented properly. I know that the minister here is very earnest in implementing it, but his colleagues at the state level and at the central level are disappointing him.